Okay, children, now listen to me very carefully. If you want to find out which number is smaller or which number is greater, what you have to do is first you have to learn how to compare the numbers. How to compare the numbers. Okay? Comparison means telling smaller or bigger. Telling that which number is smaller or which number is bigger. And for that, what you have to do is first thing is you all have to keep on looking onto your screens. Okay, see children, on page number 63 question number 1 is there. First I will tell you how to compare the numbers. Okay, and then we'll move to the question. So children, just look onto your screen for 5 minutes. No need to write anything, just look on your screen. Okay, see children, now I will write here two numbers. Okay, I'll write here two numbers, and there are small things, few things which you just need to remember. I am writing here 5 and here I am writing 13. Okay, so we have first number 5 and the next number is 1 3 13. Now children, I want to compare these two numbers. First number is 5 and second number is 13, and I want to find out which number is smaller and which number is greater. Okay, so just remember one thing, that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. Okay, again I'm repeating that a one digit number means when we have only one number there. Okay, if we talk about this number 5, there is only one digit, no? And if we talk about the number 13, we have here two digits. First one is 1, the second one is 3. Yes, children? So, if we want to compare the number, the first most important thing is that you have to remember that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. So, here 5 is smaller than 13, or you can say that 13 is greater than 5. 13 is greater than 5. Like this, we have many more examples. Suppose the number is 7 and the next number is 25. Now we want to find out which number is smaller and which number is greater. Now children, again see here, in number 7 we have only one digit, and in number 25 we have two digits, 2 and 5. Again I am repeating that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. So 7 is smaller than 25, or you can say that 25 is greater than 7. 25 is greater than 7. Now I'll give you one more example. The number is 33 and here the number is 6. Okay, now we have to tell that which number is greater and which number is smaller. So again we can see that in number 33 we have two digits, 3 and 3, and in number 6 we have only one digit. And we all know that a one digit number is smaller than the two digit number. So 33 is greater than 6, or we can say that 6 is smaller than 33. 6 is smaller than 33. Okay children, again I am repeating that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. One more example we can take, like we have here number 69 and 2. Now see here again children, in 69 we have two digits, 6 and 9. But in 2 we have only one digit, that is 2. So again we can say that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. So here 69 is greater than 2, or we can say that 2 is smaller than 69. Okay children, so just remember this thing, that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number, right? Okay children, now if we want to compare the two digits number, the two digit number, how we will compare? Keep on looking onto your screen children. See here, the first number is 69 and the second number is 1717. So children, what you will do is just see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place in both the numbers. Just see what do we have in ones place and what do we have in tens place. See here children, when we want to compare the two digit numbers, first step is always compare the number in ones place. Sorry, in tens place. Always compare the number in tens place. So if we talk about the number 6969, in tens place we have 6, and if we'll move to the number 17, in tens place we have 1. In tens place we have 1. Again I'm repeating children, when you want to compare the two digit numbers, always first compare the number in tens place. So in 69 in tens place we have 6, and if we talk about the number 17 in tens place we have 1. We have 1. So basically children, what we have to do is we have to compare this 6 and 1. So children, we all know that 6 is always greater than 1. Yes children, we know that 6 is always greater than 1. So the number 69 is greater than 17. The number 69 is greater than 17. Okay children, one more example we will take. Number is 39 and 72. Just look on your screen children. Again we will see the number in ones and tens place. See here children, in number 3939 in ones place we have, in tens place we have 3. And if we talk about the number 72, in tens place we have 7. And I'm repeating again, whenever we want to compare the two digit numbers, always start comparing the number in tens place. The number in tens place. Okay children? So in number 3939 in tens place we have 3, and if we talk about the number 72 in tens place we have 7. We have 7. So we will compare the number 3 and 7, and we know that 7 is always greater than 3. 7 is always greater than 3. So the number 72 is greater than 39. So the number 72 is greater than the number 39 children. Okay? I'll give you one more example. Suppose we have a number 25 and one more number 29. Okay children? Yes. So our first step is, whenever we want to compare the two digit numbers, we always compare the number in tens place. So first we will write ones and tens there. Here we have 5 in ones place and 2 in tens place. Now if we will move to the number 29, In ones place we have 9 and in tens place we have 2. Okay children. Now see here in number 25 in tens place we have 2 and in number 29 also we have in tens place 2. So in both the numbers tens place value is same. Tens place value is same, that is 2. So we cannot say anything which number is smaller or which number is greater. So what we will do? We will now compare the number in ones place. We will now compare the number in ones place. So in ones place, in 25 we have 5 and if we will move to the number 29, in ones place we have 9. Okay. So now we will compare the number 5 and 9 and we know that 9 is always greater than 5. Yes. So the number 29 is greater than 25 or we can say that 25 is smaller than 29. Okay children. So if we want to compare the numbers having same value in tens place, what we will do? We will compare the number in ones place, okay? And only then we can tell which number is smaller or which number is greater. Right children? Okay, if there is anyone who has any doubt, you can raise your hand. Okay, so children, now come to the first question. In your book, first question is there. Come to that question. That first question, you have to compare the numbers and you have to write down the correct symbol. Okay. So your first bit is you have to tell between 14 and 18 which number is smaller and which number is greater. So children, just look on your screen. Okay, and we have to put the correct sign. We have to put the correct sign. Your first bit is 14 and 18. So now you have to tell which number is greater, 14 or 18. So again children, if you will see here in ones place and tens place. In ones place we have 4 and in tens place we have 1. If we talk about the number 14. Now if we will move to the number 18, in ones place we have 8 and in tens place we have 1. So children, first I have told you that our first step is if you want to compare the two-digit numbers, always compare the number in tens place. So children, in tens place what do we have? In 14 and 18 in tens place we have same number, that is 1. So we cannot say which number is smaller or which number is greater. So what we will do? We will move to the number in ones place. Now in ones place we have 4 and 8. So we have to compare the number 4 and 8 now children. And we all know that 8 is always greater than 4. So the number 18 is greater than the number 14. Number 18 is greater than the number 14. Yes? Now we'll move to the bit number B. B bit. Now you have to compare the number 45 and 32. 45 and 32. Children, just keep on writing answers in your book also. Okay. So now the number is 45 and 32. So again we will see what do we have in ones place and tens place. See here children, in number 45, ones place we have, sorry, in tens place we have 4. And if we talk about the number 32, in tens place we have 3. Okay. So now we will compare the number 4 and 3, and we know that 4 is always greater than 3. So the number 45 is greater than the number 32. 45 is greater than the number 32. Okay, children? Yes. Now Akshara, you tell me answer for C bit, Akshara. Which number is greater? 9 is greater or 10 is greater, Akshara?
Ma'am, 10.
Okay, very good. 10 is greater. Very good, Akshara. Shri Shragvi, you tell me answer for D bit, Shri Shragvi.
Shragvi chodo.
Shri Shragvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
what are the two numbers, Shri Shragvi, in bit number D? Tell me the two numbers. What are those two numbers? Quickly. 22
22
and next number is?
22.
22.
Okay, Shragvi, now tell me which number is smaller, which number is greater,
Those
or
are
this
equal.
is
Those
equal.
are equal.
Both numbers are equal, because children, here in ones place and tens place, if you will see properly in the number 22, in tens place we have 2 on both the sides, and in ones place also we have 2. So in ones and tens place we have same numbers. So this means that both numbers are equal. Sai Ritvik, you tell me answer for E bit, Sai Ritvik. Sai Ritvik. 43 and 23, which number is smaller?
23.
Very good. So here the number 23 is smaller. This means 43 is greater than 23. Ashwath, you tell me answer for F bit, Ashwath. 17 and 37, Ashwath. Ashwath, tell me quickly which number is smaller and which number is greater. Ashwath.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ashwath. Tell me. Ashwath, tell me quickly. Ashwath, I'm waiting. Ashwath, quickly.
Ma'am, not.
Ashwath, tell me which number is greater, 17 or 37? F bit.
37.
37.
37 is greater or smaller? Tell me quickly. Compare the number in tens place. Ashwath, fast. Ashwath, in 17, what do we have in tens place? Look on your screen. What do we have in tens place? Okay, Ashwath, wait. Brinda, you tell me which number is greater and which number is smaller in 17 and 37?
17.
Smaller or greater?
17.
17 is smaller than 37. This means 37 is greater than 17. Okay. Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Janvi, tell me answer for G bit. Tell me answer for G bit. Which number is greater, Janvi? 50 or 41?
50 is greater than 41.
Very good, Janvi. 50 is greater than 41. Very good. Now T Suryansh. T Suryansh, tell me answer for H bit.
46. 46. 46.
Tell me both numbers.
చెప్పుకోండి టీచర్ అడిగినప్పుడు చెప్పు 46.
Yes, children, tell T Suryansh, tell me
It is equal.
which symbol will come?
Equal. చెప్పు.
Equal.
Equal. Okay, T Suryansh, very good. See, Here in ones place and tens place, children, we have the same number. We have the same number. In tens place, in both the numbers we have 4, and in ones place also we have 6 in both the numbers. So both the numbers are equal. Both the numbers are equal. Right, children? Okay. So now do one thing. Now you all come to page number 1717. Children, open page number 1717 now. 17 page number, children. Open page number 17. Children, open page number 17 of your math textbook. Write date and classwork there. Children, open page number 17. Open page number 17, children. My practice time 6 is there. Okay, children. Oh, Ashrita, have you opened page number 17, Ashrita? Okay, Pradiksha. Okay. Pradiksha, give me thumbs up if you have opened page number 17. Okay, very good. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Okay, Siddharth, have you opened page number 17? Show me thumbs up if you have opened. Okay. Okay, children, now open page number 17. Write their date and classwork. Quickly. So, children, what you have to do is here, you have to arrange these numbers from smallest to biggest. From smallest to biggest. Okay? So, for that, what you will do now? First, you will compare the numbers and then you will arrange them. Okay? So, children, I hope till now you all have written date and classwork. So, now we will do the question number 1 and first bit. You have to compare the numbers and you have to arrange them from smallest to biggest. Okay, children? So, now see, I will ask you and you have to tell me. Okay, first bit I will tell you. Okay, later on I will ask you. So, children, you have your numbers in the first bit: 10, 5, 10, 5, 15 and 8. Yes, children? So, just remember one thing, that a 2-digit number is always greater than the 1-digit number. A 2-digit number is always greater than the 1-digit number. Just children, wait for 1 minute. Okay, children, now listen to me very carefully. If you know how to do this, start doing. And by the time, just turn on your cameras. Tanaswini, camera on. Rohit, camera on. Yes, Ayan, Puluru, camera on. Asra, Noshin, camera on. Turn on your camera, Asra. Mayuri, turn on your camera. Mayuri, Veda, I can't see you. Rohit Chaudhary, turn on your camera. Tanaswini, okay, Tanaswini is here. Okay, very good. Arhan, sit properly, Arhan. Hanvid, where are you, Hanvid? I want to see you all doing your work. Rohit Chaudhary, camera work nahi kar raha. Yes, children. Swarnika, write down the answers. Yes, children. पहले मुझे दिखाओ. Okay, children. Now again, I am sharing my screen. So now I'll start with the first question. Okay. Yes. So the first question is, numbers are 10, 5, 15 and 8. 10, 5, 15 and 8. So now you have to tell me which number is smaller and which number is bigger. See children, remember this thing again. I am telling that a one digit number is always smaller than the two digit number. So here in 5 and 8 we have only one digit. We have only one digit here. Okay. So this we all know that you have to arrange the numbers from small to big. So now we have two small numbers here, 5 and 8, because they have only one digit. So obviously they are smaller than 10 and 15, because in 10 and 15 we have two digits, right? So what we will do, we have to compare the numbers 5 and 8, right? And we all know that 5 is always smaller than 8. 5 is always smaller than 8. So in the first one we will write 5. Okay children? And in the second one we will write 8. Right? And then we will move to the number 10 and 15. 10 and 15. And see here children. Now you have to compare the number 10 and 15. And see here. In ones place we have 0 and in tens place we have 1. And in 15 we have in ones place 5 and in tens place we have 1. So children, first we will compare the number in tens place. In tens place in both the numbers we have 1. So we cannot say anything which number is smaller or which number is greater. So what we will do is we will move on to the number in ones place. So if we talk about the number 10, in ones place we have 0, and if we talk about the number 15, in ones place we have 5. And we all know that 0 is always smaller than 5. So 10 is smaller than 15. So 10 will come first and 15 we will write in the last. Okay children? Now children, try to do the bit number B. Second bit, try to do the second bit. आई नहीं हो. Yes, children. Now we will come back to the second bit. Yes. Now the second question is, now the B bit is, you have to compare 4, 3, 6 and 1. 4, 3, 6 and 1. Now Hanvit, you tell me which number is the smallest. Tell me answer for the B bit. Hanvit, quickly. Hanvit, tell me which is smaller. 4,
1.
1. Okay, 1. So we will write 1 there. Okay, Hanvit. After that 1, what we will write?
3.
1. Then 3.
3.
Okay, okay. Then
4.
okay. After that,
6.
very good, Hanvit. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Yes, Sanjay.
Yes, children. Okay. Very good, Hanvit. Now, Pratiksha, you tell me answer for the C bit, Pratiksha. Which number is the smallest? First compare the number in 1's
5.
place.
5.
Pratiksha, first compare the number in 10's place. C bit. 20, 15, 19 or 18? Smallest.
1 by 15.
Very good. We will write 15 first. Okay, Pratiksha. After that, quickly.
1 by 18.
Very good. Then
1 by 19.
very good. And in the last,
2 0 20.
very good. Very good, Pratiksha. Okay, children. We don't have much time now. Sai Joshit, you tell me answer for the D bit. Sai Joshit, quickly. Less than
Yes,
100 is
ma'am.
there. Tell me the smallest number here. 11, 5, 8, 13. What we should write first? Smallest number between 5 and 8.
5.
5. Okay, after that?
8.
Very good. Then? Yes, quickly.